Hey everybody, my name is Elvis, and today I'm going to show you how to add Tailwind CSS to your Quasar project in 5 minutes or less. So why don't we go ahead and get a timer going. Alright, I'm going to be speaking kind of fast to get through this, but hopefully it's not too fast. So first of all, Quasar. I like Quasar because it uses Vue, Material UI, and it lets you build mobile versions of your app all from the same repo. Here's a quick demo of a Quasar app. So this is a jiu-jitsu training session and technique mapping app that I am currently building. So let's say you went to train jiu-jitsu today, and let's say you were practicing maintaining side control. And although we are in quarantine, let's pretend that we were able to go to the gym today and we trained for an hour, took some notes, and say we trained in the gi. So all these are optional. I'm going to hit save, and we have our first training session. So for this app, we have some statistics, we have some settings, and everything works that I want to so far. So good. But this store, eventually I want to make some notebooks and design them to fit the app. But the store, I haven't updated this page in a couple of months. So I'm going to add Tailwind so I can prototype quickly and be a little bit more creative and not limited by the options that Quasar presents me. So why don't we go ahead and do that. So let's go back over here, click on this get started. Still have over 3.5 minutes, which is great. So let's jump right in. So let's add a branch. Let's call it Add Tailwind CSS. And first thing we have to do is add the Tailwind CSS dependency. Alright, while that's happening, let's check out our next step. So next we have to add Tailwind to our CSS. And for Quasar, it uses Webpack. So instead of using imports like this, we have to do things this way. So you want to add this to any components pages where you want to add Tailwind properties. So just to look at what it looked like before we do these last two steps, because we're actually almost done, believe it or not. We still have almost 3 minutes left. Alright, so here, this is the store page where I'm going to add this. So in between the style, if you're familiar with Vue, this is all regular Vue. You'll recognize this. Alright, so we did that. Hit save. Go back to our docs here. Next is a config file. So this is optional. This might be a separate video, so I'm going to skip that for now. And last, process CSS with Tailwind. So we are using post CSS. So if we go to our Quasar docs, it tells us how to handle this. So we have to update this post CSS rc.js file. So I already have it open. So kind of cheating a little bit. Let's make it under these 5 minutes here. So I'm going to require Tailwind CSS. Hit save. Hit save. Alright, and that should be it. So our style should be updated. We should be using Tailwind now, which is pretty awesome. So now let's take advantage of that. If we go back to our Tailwind homepage here, you'll see this nice marketing landing here. So I'm going to just borrow that here, copy this over, and update this store here. So go 1.5 minutes. So I also already added a new image here. This might be the longest part of this. So the alt is a pink notebook, and you'll see it in a second. So this is jiu-jitsu notebooks. Let's call this coming soon. So these are all Tailwind properties here, which are added, which are awesome. And let's update this content with the content that I had before. And we should be good. Let's check it out. Hit save. Check out our timer. 30 seconds left. Still processing here, compiling I should say. But I think we made it. Let's see. Boom. Digitio notebooks coming soon in our store, and we still had 10 seconds left. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Have a good one.